Okay, so I see a lot of these guys trying to make their own soil, or they are making their own soil. So I figured I'll try it out. I got a barrel here, filled it up with some weeds. Got some strawberries in there, and putting some more scraps in there. I'm gonna take some leaves. No, this ain't gonna be nowhere near enough. Actually, I think I'll wait till I get a leaf off. I'm gonna get a leaf off, put it in there. And you guys tell me, how do I do this? Do I put nitrogen, carbon, and then put water in there? Do I put the green, the brown, and then mix it with water, or do I just put green, brown, and then just let it sit? I'm not sure. But you guys let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe. Help me out on this journey. I'll be back. Alright guys, we're gonna try this out. I heard some guy on one of my videos that put it in the bag. So I'm gonna rip this stuff up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start assembling this stuff in pieces, and I'll get back with you guys. Okay guys, we got a good layer of grass and cardboard. I don't know how much it's supposed to do, but I'm just gonna think this as much. That sounds reasonable. I think that should be about good. I don't know. So we're gonna stop here. And we're gonna let this bad boy sit for a good 3 months before I touch it again, or 2 months. See you soon. Okay, so we're gonna switch it up a little bit. We're gonna do 3 barrels. We got a lot of work to do. So instead of doing just 1 barrel, I decided to up my game up and get 3. We got all the grass here. And we got all the brown bags here. And I'm gonna take it a step further. I'll send another YouTube video. But that guy had this thing full of water, so I'm gonna just fill it up with grass and brown, and I'm gonna put some water at a level on there, about right here probably, and I'm gonna let that sit, see how that does. Well, maybe probably a little bit shorter than that, but it's gonna be full of water. And I'll get back with you guys when I'm done. Okay guys, we got this thing slapped full of grass and brown paper bags. So we're gonna fill these bad boys all the way up to the top. Well, about where the brim is. And we're gonna see what they do in about, I don't know, say about 3 months, I guess. I don't know how long this stuff takes. But I see a lot of YouTubers do it, so I figured I'd give it a try. Since I spend so much money on soil, this might cut back, maybe. It might make my garden grow a little bit better. So that's what I'm hoping for, more nutrients, more better quality soil. Heck, I might start selling my own soil. Yeah, like I said, we're gonna fill these bad boys all the way up to the top. I'm gonna fill these up, It's gonna take a little while, and I'll get back with you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want to check these bad boys out in about 2-3 months. See what we get going on underneath here. Yeah, so if you don't mind, man, hit that bell, hit that like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know if I'm doing something wrong. If I'm doing something wrong, please let me know so I can fix it. 'Cause I need a lot of soil. Appreciate y'all. So we got these things slapped full of water. And just let that marinate. Full in there. Still got a little bit more water to put in here. And we're good to go. Thank y'all watching. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell. And leave us a like comment. Appreciate you.